Hi everyone, welcome to Cook Eat Wonder. Today we are going to make Chinese bhel. It's a street food recipe very similar to bhel puri. So let's get started, but before that please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Let me first walk you through the ingredients. We have 150 gram of plain Hakka noodles, half of an onion sliced, half of an onion chopped, 1/4 of a capsicum sliced, 1/4 cup of cabbage sliced, 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, 1 tomato finely chopped. We also need some salt, green chili sauce, tomato sauce and some soya sauce. We'll start with heating up some water. Here I have 1 liter of water. I have kept them for boiling. So the water has boiled. Add some salt, about half a teaspoon. Also add in 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Now drop in the noodles and allow it to cook. Whenever you prepare noodles, it's important to cook your noodles right, that is till al dente, which means your noodles should be just cooked so that you are able to feel the bite. It should not be overly cooked that they turn completely soft. So it's important to keep an eye on your noodles often. The cooking would take around 5 to 7 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. Let's check on our noodles. I'll take a small piece and check if they are done. They would take around 2 more minutes of cooking. So now it's been 5 plus 2 minutes, that is 7 minutes of cooking in total. Let's check our noodles. So they are done. I'll switch off the flame. Drain the water using a strainer. Now I'll place them under tap water so that they stop cooking further. So that's done. We need to allow the noodles to rest for 15 to 20 minutes so that all the moisture drains out. We need to add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil to this. This is to prevent the noodles from sticking with each other. So let's allow them to rest for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. I have heated up some oil for deep frying. We need to fry the noodles in batches. Do not overcrowd the kadai. So one side has turned slightly golden. I'll flip and cook the other side. We need to fry them until they are golden brown. So our noodles have turned golden brown and crispy. I'll take them out into a paper towel. Similarly, we'll fry our remaining noodles. So we have fried all our noodles. Next, heat up a pan. Add in 2 teaspoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add in 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Saute them for a minute or 2. Next, add in half an onion sliced. Saute them for a minute or 2 on medium to high flame. Next, add in 1/4 cup of sliced cabbage and 1/4 of sliced capsicum. Saute them for 2 minutes. Reduce the flame to low so that we can add in the sauces. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce or ketchup, followed by 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce. Also 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Combine everything well and cook the sauces for a minute or 2 on low to medium flame. So that's done. Now turn off the flame. Now take a large bowl, add in the fried noodles into it. You need to crush them using your hands. Similarly, we'll crush the remaining noodles. Into this, we'll add in the mixture that we prepared. Also add in half of an onion chopped. One tomato finely chopped. Now add in salt as per taste. All the sauces that we added have salt in them, so add salt only if required. Now combine everything well. Let the fried noodles combine well with the sauces and the veggies. So our street style Chinese bhel is ready. Let me transfer them into a serving plate. So our Chinese bhel is ready to be served. Do try this recipe and let me know how they turned out. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Take care. Thanks for watching.